Hi there and welcome to my channel. I'm Jennifer. This is A Country Life, and today I have a completely different style of video for you guys. I am unboxing and giving you a full look at 3 products from DREO. DREO is a brand that makes smart home products, including tower fans, air circulating fans, small kitchen appliances, ceiling fans, humidifiers. As you can see from their website, they all have a very clean design. Functional yet beautiful products for your home. Thank you to DREO for sending me these 3 products here today. I'll be introducing you to 3 smart products from DREO. I hope you guys enjoy this, and I have definitely enjoyed learning more about smart products. When you first open up the Polyfan box, you're going to find the head of the fan here on its stem, as well as a very heavy duty base. There is a little bag here of parts and things that you're going to need. There is a washer and a screw here, or a bolt, I'm not sure what I would call this, and there's a little tool. So I'm just going to get that put together. It's just a quick, easy step here. You just fit the fan into its base, put the washer on the bottom side, put the screw in and tighten it down. Very simple. That just was easy peasy. On the stem of the fan are all of the controls, making it very easy. They're pretty standard icons. The power icon, the menu icon, a fan icon, pretty standard icons that we all love. Our remotes for our TVs. Well, this fan has a remote too, so you can just, from wherever you're sitting, standing, wherever you are, you can, aim it towards the fan, and you can make all the adjustments you want right from the remote. This is a smart fan. You can easily get the DREO app, and you just choose the product that you have, and it helps you. It's very easy to set up. You just need to set up a little account, using your email, and then you can also work the fan from your phone. So if that's your thing, that is an option for you as well. All right, well, let's just talk about this fan a little bit. It has 3D oscillation. It is both an air circulator and a fan. So it oscillates vertically, and it circulates the air from up top of your room to the lower part, and the lower air to the top of your room. So you can circulate the air, and it also oscillates horizontally so that you can experience a natural breeze while efficiently circulating your indoor air. The nice thing about this is that you can rely on the fan versus constantly having to utilize your air conditioning. This fan is going to run a whole lot more efficient than an air conditioner. The one thing I noticed right off the bat with this when I turned it on, I love the fact that there are 9 levels depending on how much air circulation you're looking for, how much breeze you're looking for. The number 1 in our schoolroom, the number 1 was actually plenty. This fan's wind can reach up to 110 feet when it is on level 9. Obviously, our schoolroom is not 110 feet, and so number 1 was plenty, and it's so nice and quiet. That was the one thing that I really, really liked. You feel the breeze without the zzzz of the old-time oscillating fan that we have, which is currently down in the basement because it is so loud. It gets kind of annoying. So even at a number 9, I just wanted you guys to hear I wanted you to hear the sound at number 9. Okay, here it comes. It's got some serious breeze. Whew. I'm going to stand in the same spot at a number 1. Still a great breeze. Okay, so the DREO humidifier, I just plugged it in. It was super easy to fill. I didn't fill it all the way to the max line here today, but I just kind of wanted to give you guys a little look here. Let's make sure we get that on, how it's supposed to go. Okay, let's look at the control panel. We have the power on. This is cute. We got some lights right away. This here is the manual mist button, and that allows you to switch between a low, medium, and high mist level. Let me put something behind here so you can see the mist level, how it comes out. Right off the bat, I noticed something different with this humidifier compared to many of the other ones that I have had, is that this comes out in a, I guess you would almost like in a bar, coming up like that, like a wall, versus just blowing like a little circle. This can be adjusted, so you can angle it away, straight, or this way, which is another nice feature. It's nice if you have this next to a wall, you can angle it the direction that you want it to go. Using the auto button here, you can set for a target humidity level. So let me show you how this works. So this auto button here, you can set it for 30% humidity level, 35, all the way, 40, whatever you want. So let's just set it for a 70%. Oh, it's saying it's 72% humidity right now in the house, 73. So let's go up to 75. And it now kicked in because it's only about a 70, there it is, 69. So it is going to continue to work or stay in the on position, right, until it reaches a 75% humidity. That's another nice feature because sometimes in the middle of the night, especially if you have one of these in a child's room, you really don't want it to get too moist. That can be problematic as well. So being able to set the humidity level and not have to go in there in the middle of the night or whatever to turn it off is kind of a very nice feature. Also in the auto mode, the mist level is also auto regulated to go along with whatever your target humidity percentage is. The timer button is another nice feature. So timer will set this, oh, sorry, that was the power button. You're going to be able to set this to go for 2 hours or 3 hours, 4 hours. So you can set this so that it is only on for so long. There is another nice feature. Again, if you have this in a bedroom or something like that, you know, maybe you only want it going for the first couple of hours as your children are falling asleep or something, or maybe you have this out in an area, well, really anywhere that you would only want it to be going for a certain amount of time. That is awesome. Okay, the humidity light. The humidity indicator light will change according to your room humidity level. So this is kind of neat. This light here is going to change based on the humidity level. So when it's blue, it means it's greater than 61% humidity. Green is going to be 31 to 60, and yellow is going to be when it is lower than 30% humidity in the room. This would make a wonderful night light, again, in anybody's room, but I just keep thinking, especially with children, because I tend to run these in children's rooms so often. For the DREO Humidifier HM524S, it does come with a little cleaning tool as well. All of the DREO smart products have the QR code as well as information how to go to the App Store or Google Play, find the app, and it walks you right through all of the steps for launching DREO, signing in, creating an account, and being able to run all of these features straight from your phone. Okay, next up, I'm going to unbox the Smart Ceiling Fan CLF521S. Right off the bat, when I open the first two flaps, I see package contents. So they show everything that is going to be in the box here. That is helpful. They also have the QR code for watching an installation video, and there's a QR code if you need support. Continuing to fold back flaps, we have the quick start guide, which is really the one that you use. Then there's the longer user manual, and we have parts, and more parts. So one thing I'm realizing right away, you are actually going to want the user manual for this. It does go through step by step in much more detail for someone like me in the installation of a ceiling fan here. That is something that's really neat, I feel like, with fans now, is that they come with two options. You can have, you know, depending on your color scheme. This just seems so beachy to me. If you want something to just blend in with a white ceiling, it also has a white side to it. In today's video, I am not going to be installing this ceiling fan, but I did want to just walk you through what comes with it. It comes with a remote here. Looks to be very simple to operate. 1 hour, 4 hours, 8 hours on a timer. How nice is that? It has the on-off for the light as well as the fan, and with 6 different fan levels. Everything here is labeled and it goes along with a step. So like, you're going to need this packet for step number 1. You're going to need this packet for step number 2. These 2 pieces called the down rod. So there is a 4-inch down rod. There's also a 6-inch down rod, depending on, you know, which size, or, you know, how far down you want it in your room, depending on your ceiling height. Here is the housing. Well, let's take this out first. The light fixture portion. You do not have to add the light portion to it. Very low profile, and this allows for LED max of 24 watts. We have the canopy here, which covers like all kinds of different parts and brackets. And then we have the fan body here, and this is like where the ceiling fan blades would be attaching to, right underneath there. And the blades come out through this area right here, and then this whole thing rotates around, cooling and circulating the air in your room. We have one more part to pull out right here, and I'm assuming this is going to be a bracket. And correct, this is the heavy-duty ceiling fan bracket. This is what actually attaches it to the ceiling. And the collar is what goes over that, so that is what it would end up looking like on your ceiling. So the ceiling fan CLF 521S, it's aesthetically pleasing looking, and it seems to be made of high quality components. For these DREO smart products, as well as so many more, please check the link in the description box below, and it will take you over to these products individually, as well as their full website of awesome products. Thanks to DREO for sending me these products to try and for sponsoring today's video.